Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and before we start this video, I want to ask you to subscribe down below to stay updated on the latest, greatest, most awesome content on the space of YouTube. Let's get cracking with the video. So in front of me, I have a screen protector for my iPhone XR, which only costs $5 right now on Amazon. And that's pretty wonderful, because my screen protector over here, I got this installed in the Apple shop, and it costs me around 30 to 40 bucks. Yeah, it does cost that much to install a stupid glass screen protector, and it's already shattered, as you can see a little bit probably. Alright, so this is the AINOPE, I don't know, screen protector. It's a 2-pack as well, so there are 2 screen protectors in here. Fully protect your phone's screen, improved hardness, anti-fingerprint, HD transparent, and scratch proof. So let's see how good this actually is. I'm really excited for a $5 product. So what do we get in the box? This is all Japanese and all these things. Screen protector accessories, and as you can see, 2 screen protectors. And these are pretty heavy as well, so they don't really feel cheap, which is very good in my opinion. So you get an explanation on how you have to do this. I've done this before, but I have to take off my old one first. So what do we get in here? Clean the screen with a wet wipe, rub it dry and remove water stains with a microfiber cloth. Dab the screen with the dust removal sticker in order to clear all dust. Apply the tempered glass onto the screen. For $5, imagine getting this in an Apple store. I first need to get this other screen protector off, of course. I'm going to try to do it with this. This is just some piece of cardboard. I don't know if it will work. Probably not, but hey. Oh yes, this was applied very well in the Apple store, so no complaints about that. But as you can see, it is cracked over here. Look, that's broken. So that's not glass, that's plastic. And it's broken. It feels so fresh and new without the screen protector. Okay. Now this is of course a very important thing to do. You have to clean your phone completely, otherwise it will look like very bad. I'm not going to say any words that you're probably thinking about right now, but if you don't clean your phone well, then you will have bubbles and all that, and that's not that nice on the screen protector. Okay, I'm really going to do this thoroughly. Thoroughly? Is that it? This wet wipe is actually wet. Some of these wipes you get from Chinese manufacturers are not even wet. Okay, that already looks pretty clean, as you can see. Okay, now we have the dust collection. Okay, so remove the dust. Okay, so it's perfectly on there, and as you can see right now, it's filling in everything. Can you see that? Ooh, come on. There's a bubble over here. And a bubble over here, so let's press this a little bit. Okay, so this is gone, this is good. Now this over here. Okay. And that looks like it's ready. Okay, am I happy? Oh no, bubbles. Does it still work, my Face ID? Yes. So I've applied the screen protector, as you can see. And what can I actually say about this? Well. This is $5. This is £5 or $5, or how do you say it? And wow, this, I gotta say, it's even better than the one I had from the Apple store, which cost me like 5 times more, or like 6 or 7 times more. It's a bit thick, to be honest. I think it's a bit thick over here. But that's the fact with all the screen protectors. I had some issues with the bubbles, but I don't think there are any bubbles left right now. Is there one over here? Nope. They say it's also fingerprint resistant, which is not completely true, but wow, what a big difference with my old protector, because that was full of fingerprints and now there are none over here, and my screen is back to its former beauty. It also completely covers the front camera for the Face ID, and my Face ID still works, as you can see, so very nice. Would I suggest this product? Well, definitely. This is something, this is a gem for £5. This is, look at what you get in the box, and even if it didn't work like you wanted it to work, you still have another one in the box. So that's great. That's really amazing. And I really couldn't advise this more. This is maybe a bit smaller. I think it's that smaller than this one. Let's see. No, it's not a big difference. It's a minor difference. It's maybe a bit smaller, this one, but it's also way more expensive, and the fingerprints stay on here. While on this one, there are actually no fingerprints. That's amazing. Wow. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this screen protector for your iPhone. Right, if you have any questions regarding the screen protector, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd be very glad to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos in the future. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind the phone or behind the computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.